hands black with oil, sweat and gasoline, steel and smoke. Another problem solved, another week survived. Cold water running, grease down the drain. I wash my face, look in the mirror, dead tired, still standing. Lights go out, keys in my hand, one last look around. Lock the door, silence, come on old friend. Just me and you. Sun sinking low, sky burning red, another highway waiting just ahead. Let it roll, let it ride, leave this crazy world behind. One more mile, one more night, freedom riding by my side. Street lights fading, the city disappears. Every mile behind me makes the future clear. No phones, no deadlines, no one telling me where to be. Just the road, the stars, and that old V08 melody. Let it roll, let it ride, leave this crazy world behind. One more mile, one more night, freedom riding by my side. No plans, no schedule, no destination tonight. Just chasing the sunset until morning light.